Well, here we are leaving R&R Distributors, a tool, kind of a catch-all shop, sells all kinds of good stuff. Mike on his Kawasaki 300X, brand new to him. A little bit of traffic. And there he goes. No problem. Mike wants to stop at the Kawasaki dealership just down the road here to ask him a question about his warranty. It's a pretty good dealership. They've done some work for me in the past. Put the doohickey in my KLR. Pull up here to the motorcycle parking. Guy polishing that watercraft. Nice reflection in the window. And back on the road again. Gonna go on down the road and see where we can find some off-road stuff or abandoned roads. Just an afternoon ride. Heading south on 3. A few stoplights to go through here. A lot of businesses. Used to be a outdoor theater on the right many years ago. Long gone. Taken over with commercialized properties. Not a fan of stop-and-go traffic. I don't think any biker is. Down here we're going to be picking up 128 bypass. Takes us down to the Massapequa Rotary. And we're going to take a left on that and go on 121 into Auburn Center. We're going to be following one side of the Massapequa Lake, part of the Manchester water supply. The first part of the shoreline drive is going to be on the northwest side of the lake, and later on we'll be on the northeast side of the lake. And going under 101, going to the coast. And the circle is just up ahead. This circle's been here for many years. Now they're all miniaturized. This one is pretty much a full-size rotary. And on to 121. coming up on the right is the first glimpse of the lake. Sometimes they have sailboats out there, people fishing off the coast. Even a few people taking pictures of a sunrise, because we're heading pretty much due east at this moment. And this part of 121 swings away from the water, nice and curved. Some nice sweeping curves here. Good chance to get your lean angle just right. Off to the sides is quite a few little trails, hiking paths. There's even a rail line that's been discontinued that's been made into a bicycle trail. Unfortunately, no motorized vehicles. Now we're crossing over Sucker Brook, and this is Auburn Center. Mike is looking for a place to take some pictures of his new bike. The lake should provide a nice backdrop. There we go. Made to water. What a pretty spot. Oh, well, you got a little hungry, so we just finished up pizza here at the Auburn Pizza Shop. I'm going to head on down the road, see if we can find some trails, abandoned roads, gravel roads. We'll take what we can get. The BMW guy. Mike's going to let me lead because I am good at finding dirt roads, abandoned roads, trails less traveled. Well, we found one. This is the Old Chester Turnpike. This end of it is the south end of the Old Chester Turnpike, which starts out off of 121 in Chester, New Hampshire. We had hiked part of it because I didn't want to take the KLR down through the roughest area. We are now currently heading back out of it. There he goes. Street tires on a Kawasaki 300X. I guess the thing rides pretty good. He's been out riding me all day. I do have my camera mounted on a fixed mounting bracket on the front fairing. That's what you hear in the clicking sound. Well, time for another photo shoot. This time up by the small dam on the Sucker Brook that's feeding Massapequa Lake. Here's a few shots from the immediate area. A little vegetation upstream from the dam. And we ended the day. Good ride, good company. Tomorrow's another day.